Hello everyone, welcome to the Dynamic Modeling of Cities channel. This is Apeksha Patidar and today we are going to learn about this amazing 3D tool, Vectary. So Vectary is a tool available on internet for online 3D modeling stuff. It's really cool. It's available with few dollars per month plan and also available for free. So choose whichever you want. So let's start with it. It looked like this, and we can start afresh from here by clicking on create a new project. So it does look like this, and this is a plane here for modeling. Several options are available in the toolbar with a number of options, and on the right hand side you can see command panel box. So as it is on object, let's start from here. Choosing an object from the panel, you can select whichever shape you want, and you can change the position, rotation, scale, size, radius, height of an object here. Also you can change the color and the roughness, opacity, etc. from here. There is an advanced bar here, and you can change the options from here. And you can also change the light, geometry, and camera image plane options from here. And you can also change the image by clicking on replace image, and can change the image of this thing whichever you want in background. Now coming back to the object, you can add a new object from this, and this object can be anything. It can be a line or any other object you want to make. And also you can change their height and depth and increase the number of segments and all. So yeah, it's very easy to work with. Now coming back to the library option, there are several options available. As you can see, there are different options available, and you can explore more fun things from here. Also by clicking the assets, there are different variety of objects, and you can choose whichever you want. Let's see what happens. And we got a big object or a small one. Oh my god. Also you can change the material from here, more material options. So yeah, also different environment present for the background image. So there are a number of things available on this site for 3D modeling. Also one of the important thing is you can import a 3D object from here, and these are the supporting formats. So you can add your own 3D object here. So now playing with the rendering stuff, here are the less option available since it's a paid site. So limited options are available. So you can change the quality, you can change the image size and quality from here, image type, and just can click on download image. Also by clicking here start preview, it will show this watermark of Vectary and the image, and you cannot remove the watermark since it's a paid site. Also you can't export the stuff, so limited options are available just for a download image. And yeah, you can get a desired result. So thank you for watching.